Do you want to be able to redeem your Starbucks gift card on the Starbucks app? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and actually watch until the very end to be able to make sure that this actually works for you. So the first step is going to be for us to, of course, go into our Starbucks app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Starbucks app right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do is to just simply locate where it says gift. As you can see, for me, it's, as you can see in the bottom right corner, it says stores. And just to the left, it says gift. So click on gift, because then you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. Then locate where it says got a gift card, add it here. So click right here. Then as you can see, what you're going to do now is that you need to sign into your rewards. And if you haven't got a rewards like member account yet, then you can just click on join now in here, and then you will be able to actually, as you can see, sign up for Starbucks right here if you haven't already got an account with them. So then you can just click on join now. Otherwise, you can just click on sign into rewards, and then you will be able to sign into your Starbucks account in here. And after that, you will be able to actually confirm that you do have a Starbucks gift card by entering all the details in the next steps. In the next step, basically. And that is exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.